Hello, friends. I am Rajesh. Welcome to Everyday English. Quick question. Your friend asks you, why are you so tired? You want to say, I've been studying for a long time. You say, I am studying since morning. Your friend understands. But your English wrong. The correct sentence is, I have been studying since morning. That have been has been plus ing, that is present perfect continuous tense. Today, in 5 minutes, I will make it completely clear. 1 formula. 4 keywords. 0 confusion. Let's start. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Everyday English. Take a deep breath. Relax. And listen carefully. Today's topic, present perfect continuous tense. This tense shows an action that started in the past and is still continuing now. Or it just stopped, but the effect is visible right now. Part 1. The formula. The formula is simple, subject plus have been has been plus verb with ing. I have been working. She has been sleeping. They have been waiting. Repeat after me, I have been working. She has been sleeping. They have been waiting. Very good. Now remember this rule, use have been with I, you, we, they. Use has been with he, she, it. Simple. Clean. Easy. Part 2. Real life situations. Imagine this. You come home. You see your mother in the kitchen. She looks tired. You ask Mom, what happened? She says, I have been cooking for 2 hours. Listen again, I have been cooking for 2 hours. She started cooking 2 hours ago. She is still cooking or just finished. The tiredness is visible right now. That's why present perfect continuous. Repeat slowly, I have been cooking for 2 hours. Excellent. Now another situation. You call your friend. He does not pick up. You call again and again. Finally, he picks up. You say, I have been calling you since morning. Listen again, I have been calling you since morning. Action started in the morning. Continued until now. Repeat, I have been calling you since morning. Very good. Part 3. Keywords. Now the most important keywords. For shows duration. How long? I have been waiting for 30 minutes. Repeat, I have been waiting for 30 minutes. Since shows starting point. When it started. He has been working since 8 o'clock. Repeat, he has been working since 8 o'clock. All day, all morning, all night. She has been studying all night. Repeat, she has been studying all night. How long used in questions. How long have you been learning English? Repeat, how long have you been learning English? Part 4. Negative and question form. Listen carefully. Negative, I have not been feeling well. Short form, I haven't been feeling well. Repeat, I have not been feeling well. Question, have you been waiting long? Repeat, have you been waiting long? Has she been working here for many years? Repeat, has she been working here for many years? Short answers, yes, I have. No, I have not. Simple and easy. Part 5. Present Perfect versus Present Perfect Continuous. Very important. Listen carefully. Present Perfect, I have read this book. Meaning I finished it. Action is complete. Present Perfect Continuous, I have been reading this book. Meaning I started it. I am still reading. Action is ongoing. Repeat both. Feel the difference. I have read this book. I have been reading this book. One more, present perfect, she has cooked dinner. Dinner is ready. Work is done. Present perfect continuous, she has been cooking dinner. She is still cooking. Work in progress. This difference, key for interviews and speaking. Part 6. Common mistakes. Listen carefully. Wrong, I have been work here for 2 years. Correct, I have been working here for 2 years. Wrong, she has been studying since morning. Correct, she has been studying since morning. Wrong, they have been waiting for long. Correct, they have been waiting for long. After have been or has been, always add ing to the verb. Remember this. Always. Final summary. Present perfect continuous, action started in past, still continuing, or just stopped with visible result. Structure, have been has been plus verb ing. Keywords, for, since, all day, all morning, how long. Key difference, present perfect complete. Present perfect continuous, ongoing or just stopped. Listen again tomorrow. Repeat every sentence. Speak loudly. Practice daily. Your English is getting better. I have been watching your progress. Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode. If you enjoyed, like the video, subscribe for more, hit the bell for daily updates. Your support keeps us going.